Volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain that opens downwards to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. When pressure builds up, eruptions occur. Gases and rocks shoot up through the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments. Volcano eruptions have been known to knock down entire forests. An erupting volcano can trigger tsunamis, flash floods, earthquakes, mud flows, and rock falls. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my video.